Are you looking for inspiration for a unique Christmas decoration? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily make a charming wooden Christmas tree for your holiday table. We start with a prepared wooden board, about ½ inch thick, sanded on both sides. I'm using spruce wood, which is our local material. With a pencil, draw the outline of a Christmas tree either freehand or using a template. Carefully cut out the tree shape using a scroll saw. It's important to follow the drawn line and take your time to make a clean, precise cut. Once the tree is cut out, sand all the cut surfaces to smooth them out and prepare the wood for varnishing. For easier sanding, use oval hand files, which reach smoothly into all corners and surfaces. Smooth the top and bottom flat surfaces of the tree with a sanding sponge to remove any pencil marks. Now let's make the base the stand where our tree will be attached. For the base, we use the same wood as for the tree, so the whole piece looks balanced and complete. First, smooth the edges of the base with a disc sander to create an even finish. Then, level the top and bottom surfaces with a belt sander so they are flat and clean. Round off the top edge of the base with an angle grinder to give it a softer look and a more refined finish. The next step is using the burning technique, yakusugi, also known as Shou Sugi Ban. I use this technique to achieve a unique look. Burning highlights the wood grain and adds a warmer tone, giving the wood a distinctive character. For this process, I use a gas torch, which reaches temperatures up to 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful not to overheat the wood, so it doesn't ignite. Just as we burn the tree, we also treat the base in the same way. Next, we varnish the tree and the base using a glossy, clear water-based varnish that protects the wood and gives it a nice shine. To achieve a high gloss, I applied the varnish several times in thin layers, allowing the wood to seal and shine beautifully. Once the varnish is completely dry, we first mark the center of the base. The next step is drilling a hole that matches the size of the screw we'll use to fasten the tree to the base. We also drill a recess in the base for the screw head, so it fits neatly into the wood. We drill a hole in the tree trunk, slightly smaller than the screw diameter. This makes screwing easier and prevents the wood from splitting. The next step is joining the tree and the base into one piece. If desired, we can also add glue to make the joint truly secure. Since the opening is meant for hanging a Christmas ornament ball, we also screw in a small metal hook. With this, everything is ready for the final step, hanging the Christmas ornament ball. In the next few moments, I'll show the tree decorated with Christmas balls in different colors to illustrate how you can choose and combine them according to your own taste. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming creative projects.